Hello all, Kevin here, Campmaster at the Pathfinder School. We get a lot of questions about volunteering to help out at classes. And I kind of just wanted to cover a little bit of that today. So, number one, if you want to volunteer for a class, you need to contact me or Dave or any of the instructors, and they will send you to me. So, come to me first. Being a volunteer at the school is not a given. You don't get to volunteer just because you asked. So here's the deal. If you want to be a volunteer at a class, number one, you have to have completed a class at the Pathfinder School. If you're going to help at a certification class, like anything in the survival series, you have to have already passed that class to help at it. Other than that, volunteers do a little bit of everything. You'll help me run the water and take out the trash and keep the camp area cleaned up. You may be asked to help prep for demos, gather materials, keep the community fire going, those kind of things. It's a whole variety of things you may be asked to do, and it's all to keep the school operating firmly and consistently and smoothly. So with that being said, it gives you a chance to see the other side of the coin on the staff side. And if you're interested in being a volunteer, just go ahead and contact me, either through the YouTube channel or through the Facebook page, and I'll talk to y'all later. Get out and enjoy the woods for a while today.